Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free right on the website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This is the mining website. You can start mining in here. Okay, it's too easy to start mining in here. You can easily sign in. They pay you free 100 gigahertz, okay, and 5% to 10% daily commission from your referral. And this is the best way. You can easily donate some money if you want to 500 gigahertz, more than 500 gigahertz. Minimum and maximum pay this one for 20 days, and they will be return your profit. That's daily profit, okay. No withdrawal fees, no electric fees, okay. And you can buy some gigahertz. The best way is click sign up. I make withdrawal from this website once time, okay. And for sign up, first of all you need your full name. Put your full name, username, different password, and define password and repeat password. Type email, retype email, tell a question, okay. And you can answer that question in here. Put your Bitcoin wallet as Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Tether, Torrent, Binance, and Bitcoin Binance, and click this one and solve the captcha. It's too easy to make an account, okay. And I have already account. I show you how you can start earning. Just put your username and password and just click login, and you can see I have this much in my balance right now, and I made this much withdrawal from this website. This website pay me 100%, and if I click withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is 0.302 is the minimum withdrawal. You can withdraw like a Bitcoin, okay. The minimum withdrawal is 20302, okay. You can see in here show me your request is amount is larger, no balance, okay. I didn't have the balance, and I can put the balance in here, okay. 140. I just click it, no withdrawal I receive from here. You can see the minimum withdrawal is this much. And the best way you can run a miner, you can buy a miner, and you can easily have a plan in here. You can buy a plan 1, plan B, or plan C you want to buy. Any plan you want to buy, just clicking, you can go to and buy. Just click deposit amount, okay, in here, or you can go to dashboard and make a deposit. You can do anyone you want, okay. You can click make a deposit and click the first one, and you can select it, and you can make a deposit, okay. And if you want to deposit in here, this is the minimum amount for deposit. You can click any cryptocurrency you want, like a Dogecoin. If you want to click a Dogecoin, you can withdraw just deposit Dogecoin, Litecoin, or Bitcoin. I think the Bitcoin is best. You can deposit Bitcoin, and after that, okay, first one deposit from your wallet, then deposit from balance, and after that you can deposit from your main balance in here, okay. And that's it. And add a miner after your balance you deposit, and after that you can click add a miner. You can mine this, and that's it. Great. The best way you can do it, and you can easily make much more amount from here if you buy a miner. And you can go to security, go to check your security, okay. And you can do anything in here you want. If you want to promote this to your own website or own thing you have, you can promote it, and you can go to the referral. You can refer all your friends come to join this website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency they earn. If you don't have any friends, I tell you one thing, a trick. You have family, okay, just put your this is the referral link. Copy your referral link, put to your family phone, and you can easily uh, you can have your own referral, and you can easily, that doesn't mean to you need a YouTube channel. You have your friends, your friend, your mom, dad, your daughter, your anyone you have, your sister, brother. You can do any referral trick with your own mobile phones, and you paste your referral link to them, and you can log in with their own mobile phone. This website didn't need to you open all day. One time login in here, this will be pay you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. This is the trick. If you have 10 friends, 10 best friends, 10 close friends, you can send them and request them. Just log in this website. I didn't do anything. Okay, just they are login, and this will be pay you commission every day, 10% of their earning. Okay, if you have much more friends, you can easily make much more cryptocurrency from here. Tomorrow I will be share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, and bye bye for now.